Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install VirtualBox latest version, that is 7.2.16 on Ubuntu 26.04, but the process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to VirtualBox official website, it is virtualbox.org. Then click on download or click on download, both are same. Then select Linux distributions and also see here the latest release is 7.2.16. Click on Linux distributions. Then select Ubuntu 26.04. If you are on different Ubuntu versions, you can click on respective versions. Okay, I am on Ubuntu 26.04, so click on it. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this Debian package. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Then go to downloads directory. ls. See here we have the VirtualBox Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then virtual, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter, provide the password of the currently logged in user, hit enter. See, we are installing VirtualBox 7.2.16. See, this is the expected error. See, it is failed because this dependency is not matched. So, try to install any one of them. Sudo apt install, paste it, hit enter. We will get again error and it will suggest us to run the command. So we have to run this command. Sudo apt fix broken install. This will install dependencies. Hit enter. See, it is going to install all these dependencies. Okay, type A for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed Control A. Now install this package again. This time we will not receive any error. It is successful. Okay. Now go to applications. See, here we have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it to open. See, you got the VirtualBox. Now we are going to install VirtualBox extension pack. See, if you go to the extensions, see, you don't have any extensions. Okay. Now go to again Firefox, click on home, then click on download. See, here we have the VirtualBox extension pack. Click on accept and download. See, download started. Click on this extension pack. Click on install. See, agree is disabled. Why? Because go to the license terms up to the bottom, then click on I agree. Authentication required. Now provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user, then click on authenticate. See, now it is installed. Again go to extension pack. See, here we have installed extension pack. See, version both are same. Okay, so now if you want to create virtual machine, click on new, or if you want to open the existing one, click on open, or go to machine and select new, or click on open. Go to help about VirtualBox. See, we have installed 7.2.16. okay. See, this is the installed version. Okay, so we have successfully installed. Now go to terminal, ls, delete both to create the space. rm Oracle, press the tab to autofill entire file name, rm, press the tab, hit enter, ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Oracle VirtualBox latest version 7.2.16 on Ubuntu 26.04. okay, but the process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.